If I had to start over my beauty business, these are the 6 steps I would take to make more money. Hey, welcome back to Brow Tap Build Beyond. I'm Alex, and this is a channel for beauty pros who are ready to build beyond their one-on-one clients, who are ready to make more money and have more free time. So you're ready? Let's build beyond. Today, I am sharing the 6 steps that I took in my business to start making more money and add new streams of income, allowing me to focus on the services that I love to offer to the clients that I love to see. And in return, it helped me help other artists, other business owners do the same thing for their businesses. So number 1 would be to focus on a high ticket service. So you can make more money with every single client you see. And then next up, I would increase the price of that high ticket service. Well, because you deserve it. But that way you're making even more with each client. Next up, I would offer and create a digital product for $0. And I will teach you how to do this in an upcoming video. But this way you can share your knowledge, your skills, and your experience with your audience and start making passive income. Then I would add a product to my studio business. So I can increase the checkout total of each one of my clients by offering them a product that I love, knowing it will help them in making more money with each of these clients. Then I'd start offering in-person trainings. Like in the last video, I said you can link this all together. And if you haven't watched yet, go watch it here and then come back. But you can link your in-person trainings to be like a VIP hands-on version of your digital product, or it can be something entirely different that you want to teach. And then next up, finally, I would create or source a physical product to sell to my students, either my in-person students or my online education students, so that I can make more money with every single student that I have attracted. These are 5 streams of income in your business now that are no longer tied down to needing you to be in the studio with your clients to make money. You can stack all this income, or you can take a small step back and enjoy more time with your family or your friends, or take a vacation, all while still being able to make money from your more passive streams of income. Or, God forbid, something were to happen to you or to your family and you couldn't see clients. You still have a very profitable way to make money, to pay your bills, to support your family. So let's dive in a little deeper on each one of these steps that I shared. Of course, each one is covered deeper in Build Beyond online course. If you click the link in the caption, you'll get on the wait list. I'll be opening enrollment again before the end of summer, I promise. So first up, focus on a high ticket price point. Because our time is valuable and it's limited, we can make more money, but we cannot make more time. So if you focus on a service that you can charge more for, you're increasing your value. Number 2 is increase your prices. This just builds on number 1, but take that high ticket price point that you've already chose and increase it because you're worth it, but also because we tend to undervalue ourselves. So chances are it's time to increase your prices anyways. And the final reason for this is because now that you're making more money when you are in the studio, you can take a little more time outside of the studio to start creating your new streams of income. We can start creating actual time in our lives and our business. It's like magic. So now that you have that more time, you can start creating your digital products. And this is my fave new income stream because you can get started for $0 and your income potential is basically unlimited. You can make this digital product once and sell it for years, reaching more and more people, bringing in more and more passive income. All sharing what you already know, what you've already experienced, helping others do something that you've done. What's better than that? Next, I would bring in a product to your studio that you can upsell to your clients at checkout, increasing your checkout total and the value of your time again. Because you will be bringing in that product at a lower price and then retailing it at a higher price, aka making profit. Just make sure that you are selling something that you actually believe in, something you would use, something you know your clients will benefit from. Don't sell them junk just to make money. Clients will see right through this and this product will sit on your shelf. Number 5 is start teaching in person your skills a subset of your skills, something that you are really good at. Start monetizing your knowledge because it really is so valuable. Start with one student and build from there. You can even build an in-person training or event off a digital product that you've already created. So you don't need to actually do too much work to add this stream of income. And then finally, I would create or source a product that you can sell online, but also to your students. You've already attracted students either in person or online. They already trust you. Of course, they're going to buy what you have to offer. It's a known fact that it's easier to keep a past customer than attract a new one. So, for example, you teach an in-person microblading training, and you have an online course to help with stroke patterns. You could sell pre-drawn practice skins or mapping pencils, and you already have an audience who is willing to buy them, your past students. And then of course you can sell beyond that, but you are already starting with a base of potential buyers. This is what I would do now. I would like to say it's what I did in order to get here, but I struggled with the order, and that's why I'm sharing this with you. If I started from scratch, this is exactly how I would do it. So if you are ready to add one or all of these new money-making tactics to your business, then get on the Build Beyond waitlist. Build Beyond is the only online course that teaches beauty pros how to build their businesses past their one-on-one clients, how to make money outside of the studio. The course will be reopening for registration for enrollment before the end of summer. So if you get on that waitlist, you're going to be the first to know and get exclusive access. The link is in the caption, so hit that and get on the wait list. While you are at it, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss a video. I put out new videos every Tuesday. See you then.